Hi everyone. Have you played 6 degrees of separation in your network? What do I mean by 6 degrees of separation? Well, it's said that in today's world, we are actually connected to 6 or 7 different people, and some can be strong ties like our family, our friends, people we know, we work with, and there are weak ties, that is acquaintances, friend, someone you met somewhere at a party and then you got to know them, maybe someone who's related to your father-in-law or your brother-in-law. Those are weak ties. But what Adam Grant says in his work, Give and Take, he says that the weak ties are actually ties which we should cultivate, in which we will find a lot of the jobs that we are looking for, a lot of the interest areas that we are looking for. They are not complete strangers and they won't mind helping you out, and there isn't even that emotional angle or the relationship that gets broken up in case it's someone who's very close to you. So use weak ties, use the 6 degrees of separation, and try to reach out to acquaintances rather than reach out directly to friends or family members if you are looking for a job referral. Hope that helps. Ask Annie is my YouTube channel.